Elon Musk, a millionaire American, has unveiled a brand new, outrageous Tesla battery that obliterates all others on the market. Any EV user would want this battery for their vehicle. How does the new battery appear? And what about its battery chemistry is special? What makes it exceptional? Why are other battery manufacturers concerned? Join me in this video as we examine Elon's disclosure of the new Tesla battery that will kill everyone. It goes without saying that Tesla is presently the largest manufacturer of electric vehicles in the world, far outpacing competitors like Rivian, General Motors, and Hyundai. The Austin-based electric manufacturer, Tesla, is poised to achieve new heights of fame in the EV world as a result of its new battery. The puzzle is incomplete without this cutting-edge battery, which is the final piece. Simply put, an economical electric car equates to a cost-effective battery. The Tesla team has been conducting in-depth research on how to increase the battery capacity of their electric vehicles for some time. Elon Musk founded the Tesla Advanced Research Center in Canada in 2016 with the intention of enhancing their batteries. The good news is that Tesla's new battery represents a significant advancement. There is nothing more crucial for a battery than the range it can provide, which is what makes this new battery so unique. The initial Tesla model was powered by lithium-ion batteries in the company's infancy. The battery's limited range of 200 miles after a full charge is the major obstacle. However, the entrepreneurs have never found 200 miles to be their optimal driving range. He was compelled to start over and develop yet another iteration of a superior battery as a result. The inventor wants to create a battery that can go more than 1,000 miles. With his Tesla battery, which has a range of 752 miles on a full charge, he has made significant progress even if he is still not quite there. If you own an EV in the US, you won't need to worry about the driving range because Musk's Tesla has established supercharging stations in all 50 states. Tesla cars can charge from empty to full in less than 20 minutes. The previous batteries could take up to 2 hours to fully charge. This is a significant improvement. The Tesla charging stations are beautiful because they support Musk's goal of boosting environmentally friendly energy generation and consumption. Multiple solar panels that Elon has installed on the charging station's roofs capture solar energy, which is then stored and utilized to charge Tesla vehicles later. Significant time savings will be realized thanks to Tesla's higher charging rates, fewer recharge cycles, and faster top speed. Due to the battery's modest weight, Tesla owners who use it can drive their cars at full speeds. Previously, Tesla batteries took up a lot of room in their vehicles. Mainly because they were huge and heavy. Due to the compactness of Tesla batteries, a lightweight vehicle needs less effort to propel, therefore it will use less energy compared to current EVs. The Tesla cars have enough storage space that can be used to carry extra luggage. Electric vehicles now require too much power to move because lithium-ion batteries are too heavy. This means that while fuel-powered vehicles are lighter than existing electric vehicles, they are a better option. Herein lies the potential of Musk's new battery. Making the new Tesla battery as affordable as feasible is Musk's primary objective. The good news is that the Tesla cars will cost 40% less thanks to this upgraded battery. Do you have any idea how this is even conceivable? If so, the solution is provided below. In addition to being the most important and expensive part of an electric vehicle, batteries are also the most common. Most of the time, the battery can cost as much as the car itself. In this situation, it stands to reason that a decrease in the price of the battery will inevitably result in a decrease in the price of the electric vehicle. But why does Musk want to reduce the cost of electric vehicles? The CEO and founder of Tesla is a completely different person. He is not driven by financial gain. Instead, he is focused on achieving the goal of making sure that in 25 years, all automobiles on the road will be electric. And he is getting closer to realizing that ambition, thanks to the new, reasonably priced Tesla battery. But how specifically did the Tesla engineers change the battery chemistry to lower the cost? Before Elon could make a breakthrough, there was little doubt that a lot of thought had been put into this. The computer guru has now admitted that he employed his first principles thinking approach, in which he dissects an issue into its component parts by asking probing questions that get at the core realities, separating facts from views, and developing a new perspective. In plainer terms, Elon changed the chemistry of the batteries by exchanging expensive materials with less expensive ones that are still effective. To be more specific, sulfur had to be used in place of expensive cobalt, nickel, and magnesium in lithium-ion batteries in order to deliver more power. Sulfur is less expensive since it is so readily available. The solid-state sulfur battery has a better energy density than a lithium-ion battery since it uses solid ceramic instead of a liquid electrolyte solution to transfer electricity. Because there is no explosion risk with this new Tesla battery, it is safer. Liquid electrolytes serve as the fundamental constituents of lithium-ion batteries. The temperature that results from a failure could increase and be similar to that of dying lithium-ion batteries. Because lithium-ion batteries' liquid electrolytes have a history of spontaneous fires. Extra protection is necessary for these batteries. Liquid electrolytes become extremely flammable and explosive at higher temperatures. On the other hand, heat breakdown and explosive risk were greatly diminished by solid electrolytes. According to Musk, this new battery will be more durable and less likely to explode. When the public can finally purchase the battery, there is no need to risk your life in an EV that utilizes a lithium-ion battery, which is very flammable, when you have the choice of driving in a Tesla car with a safer battery. Thanks to this improvement, you can be sure that no one wants an explosion in the event of a car accident. Additionally, the new Tesla battery is a wise investment. Because to its robustness, you won't need to return to the store to get a new battery if you have this battery. However, you can easily swap the battery if you need to. The solid-state battery's cheaper price and simpler replacement method will be advantageous to Tesla owners. The battery can be changed by the consumer themselves with just a little instruction and direction. Due of its small size. That's something I'm prepared to wager you'd want. While noted in a tweet that reads, even as Tesla continues to develop the sulfur-ion battery, they have already finished manufacturing a sizable batch of the 4680 batteries. The 4680 cell team deserves congratulations for building 868,000 cells in the last 7 days, which is equal to 1,000 automobiles. The groundbreaking 46AD will be utilized in Tesla Model Y vehicles. This battery's name refers to its size, which is 80 mm in height and a diameter of 46 mm. Following the 2,170 and 18,650 batteries, respectively, is the 4680. Tesla appears to prefer naming its batteries based on their measurements rather than their description. The 4680 has new features that the 2,170 and 18,650 batteries did not have. The power and energy storage are its special features. It is impossible to comprehend the 5 times power storage without first understanding what a battery's power storage comprises. Since the first rechargeable batteries were manufactured, the battery industry has developed toward a specific interest: capacity for storing energy. Because of the technological advancements in our world, such as the use of electrically driven engines, these engines will require large power capacity batteries to maintain their operations. Since electric vehicles and other cars use a lot of electricity, batteries with large storage capacities are required, and given Tesla's foray into the electric motor sector, it is quite obvious that this goal motivates the further development of their batteries. It's time to discuss the 4680 battery's 5-fold increase in capacity and 6-fold increase in power. Comparison to the 2170 battery allows for the realization of this increase. The volume of the new battery has expanded along with the battery's larger size. The larger battery volume provides more room for packing additional cells. As a result, the battery's overall capacity will typically grow. The 4680 battery's capacity is approximately 3000 mA greater than that of the 2170 battery, adding to the battery's overall size. We get a 5-fold gain in capacity and a 6-fold increase in power output, thanks to these high-capacity cells, which are packed in far greater numbers than the 2170 cells. That is just amazing. The MADS Cybertruck will also use the 4680 Tesla batteries that are being produced in the Fremont factory in addition to the Model Y. The huge powerhouse status of Tesla in terms of battery development and manufacturing is evident throughout this movie, and this is not expected to alter anytime soon. As a result, it will be extremely difficult for other EV manufacturers like GM, Toyota, Raytheon, and Hyundai to compete with Tesla. You'll concur with me when I say that the electric vehicle business will undergo a complete transformation once Tesla begins producing their innovative and insane battery. Do you believe that the Tesla battery will eliminate all other battery producers in the electric vehicle sector? Please feel free to offer your opinions in the space provided below. Anyway, gentlemen, click the video directly above if you want to see more intriguing videos. I appreciate your attention. To ensure you don't miss anything, make sure to subscribe with all alerts turned on. The most recent Elon Musk Insider.